by the year 2050. The job you're working right now might no longer exist. This is not science fiction. This is Manila's future. Manila is transforming fast. Skyscrapers rising. AI are replacing workers. Robots answering calls. Algorithms running businesses. But here's the real question. Are Filipinos ready for a world where humans are no longer the main workers? By 2050, experts predict that over 60% of today's jobs could be automated. Call center agents, cashiers, drivers, clerks, even teachers and doctors will work alongside AI. In Manila, artificial intelligence is already answering calls, checking documents, making designs, and writing reports in seconds. The future is arriving faster than anyone expected. The Philippines is one of the BPO capitals of the world. Millions of Filipinos depend on call centers, virtual assistants, and back office jobs to survive. But AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for overtime pay. It doesn't take breaks. So what happens to millions of Filipino workers when companies choose machines over people? In Manila, 2050, smart cities control traffic automatically. Delivery drones fill the sky. Self-driving buses move through edsa. Hospitals use AI nurses. Schools are powered by digital teachers. The Philippines will look futuristic, but the biggest danger is not technology. It's being left behind by it. Countries that fail to adapt will fall into mass unemployment. The rich will control the machines. The poor will fight for survival, and the middle class may disappear completely. But there is hope. Filipinos are known worldwide for adaptability, creativity, and resilience. The future will reward those who learn AI skills, digital business programming, content creation, remote tech work. The new battlefield is not the streets, it's the internet. The question is no longer, will AI take our jobs? The real question is, will Filipinos take control of AI or be replaced by it? Manila 2050 is coming. Are you ready?